Morning guys, here in London today at the familiar Barclay Bikes. I'm here with Paddy.
Hello.
And we're going on a big adventure today. Today is Bonfire night and we're going to end up in a place called Lewes to watch the amazing spectacle that is Bonfire night. But until then, we're going to go for a hike. Whoa, manic bike ride. But now, we're at the van home. Picked up Sammy. Say hi Sammy.
Hi.
And now, we're trying to find everyone.
You going in?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the entrance, obviously.
Now everyone's here, look. All these people. We've just taken a skew off the top of the South Downs path because we were walking along. It's a big group of 11 of us and we've decided to duck down the hill now to get some lunch at a pub, and then we're going to continue from there to Lewes. But what a walk, totally recommend it. Look at this fire, this is intense. Can't look at it.
Yeah, there's a light.
The left side of my face now is on fire. We're probably 50 meters away. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. Oh, it's getting hotter and hotter.